Hey Aries, welcome back to Distilled Tarot. My name is Shannon. I'll be guiding you through today's reading. This is going to be our daily reading for Sunday, January 24th. Let's see what's going on with Aries. At the heart of your reading, we have the Page of Pentacles reversed. Let's see what the challenge is. This is either you're moving on from the beginner stages of learning about something new, or I think it's that. It could also be that you're resisting the learning phase, the phase of having to be a beginner at something. The challenge is the Nine of Swords and the Five of Pentacles. You're doing it on your own, and that's scary. You'd like to be learning this as part of some structured class where you have a support system, like teachers and teachers' assistants or guides, or like it feels like the only thing holding you back here is your discomfort with the process. What are my Aries focused on? What has Aries' attention? Five of Wands reversed. You don't like that there's a lack of competition here. Doing it alone means you can't use other people's successes and failures as a benchmark for your own success. You're accustomed to thriving in a competitive environment. Show me what led up to this in the recent past. Knight of Pentacles reversed. You've been in this situation for a while is all they're saying. It's a continuation of that Page of Pentacles reversed. Since there's only one Page of Pentacles in the deck, I'm taking this as an indication that you've been in this situation for a while. The energy of the environment is justice. Things are coming into balance. I'm getting that this is karma that you're owed. I'm not sure how that connects to the need to study independently at the moment. Fool reversed. It's something like getting you to adopt new patterns or break out of a comfort zone. Like the good karma is exactly what you're interpreting here as frustration. It's like Spirit sees how this is going to be so good for you. They're like, come on, Aries, you can do this on your own. You don't need to prove that you're, the only way to succeed isn't being better than a bunch of people. It's like learning a new way to feel successful, learning a new way to judge your own accomplishments. In the near future, we have the Page of Wands reversed. So you're going to be transitioning from the Page of Pentacles reversed to the Page of Wands reversed energy, and that subtle shift is about figuring out why you're lacking the motivation here. Because right now you are hands-on, like, all right, I'm going to learn it. I'm going to learn it. Oh, I'm frustrated that, like, how do I know if I'm doing well or not? And from being in that situation a while, where you're going to end up soon, is reevaluating, okay, let me take another stab at this and see if I can motivate myself in a different way. I feel like you're going to gamify this. If you don't know that word, look it up, because I think that could really be helpful for you. Like turning it into a game, giving yourself rewards and for unlocking certain achievements. It's like you're going to want to make it fun. Let's see your surprise energy. Magician, Hermit. Haha. Look at you adapting to your solitary learning style. So you're going to gain a new perspective, and you're going to really thrive in this, learning something on your own or mastering a new skill. You're going to start to see how it empowers you, and you're going to do it your own way. With the Magician here, it's like you're no longer going to feel held back or like a fish out of water. You're going to feel totally in your comfort zone, like, wait a minute, I'm Aries, I got this. Like, I'm going to make the circumstances adapt to me. Let's see your hopes and fears. What is Aries hopeful for? And what are they concerned about? Very hopeful energy. 10 of Cups. This is something that is going to be very emotionally fulfilling for you, and you know that. Excuse me. You know that you're on track to be very richly rewarded, emotionally speaking. So you're motivated from a very with that hope in your heart, that reason why at the crux of your purpose for learning this skill or trade or whatever you're working on, is born from the right desire to manifest very effectively. When you manifest not only from the head, but also from the heart, from the emotions and feelings. Show me the end result for Aries. Hierophant, 5 of Swords reversed, Tower, and Chariot. Wow. Okay. There's going to be a resolution to some conflict in terms of like the system that you're working within. It's going to come suddenly, and it's going to propel the situation forward in an unexpected way, in a very, very good way, and you're not going to see it coming at all. I mean, this surprise energy is nothing compared to the surprise coming. With this Tower combined with the Chariot, that's like blockages being removed by the government or whoever is heading up this program that you're working within. Could be a change to a new system. I mean, I was picking up on you kind of making the circumstances adapt to you, so you could be, changing to a different school, changing to a different teacher, or creating your own school. It's like, this is a whole new method of operation that removes the conflict. The Tower is also divine interventions. So, and Chariot is alignment with your divine flow. So it's like you are going to co-create with the universe in a very powerful way here. Show me advice for Aries. Just keep moving ahead. Eight of Wands. You are in your power position when you're taking action. So keep the momentum moving forward. Don't get stagnant. Take the time when necessary. Don't move forward if you feel like the appropriate thing to do is to study or rest. But this is saying don't lose your momentum. Aries, I hope that helped. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you back tomorrow.